Good morning, friends, and welcome back. Today is Katie's 18th birthday. So we're kind of celebrating this week in one of our last vlogs. I'm not sure what order this is going up, but in one of our last vlogs, you saw that Katie had purchased her car. We put some money together with that to help her do it because prices had gone way up, even though she had saved for 4 years to buy her new to her car. She needed some help there at the end, and so that was kind of her big birthday / graduation gift, was putting some money with that. But we also told her that sort of in the experiences line that we would do one fun thing for her birthday too, and Katie chose for us to rent a boat for a couple hours. So we're going to be doing that later this week. We might include that in this vlog as well. But right now we are going to eat breakfast at one of our favorite places, which is, what is it called? Harbortown Bakery. So we're getting ready to go there for breakfast. Tonight we have reservations at one of our favorite restaurants, the Quarter Deck, which if you know about Hilton Head, then you would probably know that it had been kind of torn down and completely rebuilt. And we were able to get reservations. It just opened, I think, at the beginning of April, like maybe right before the Heritage or the week of the Heritage, something like that. Good morning, Sophie.
Good morning.
Can you believe that Sissy's 18?
Yeah.
You can? I can't. I don't think Dad can believe it either. So.
I can't.
Yeah, it's crazy. It is so crazy. Time flies, mamas. And she is proof of that. Morning, Sophie. Sophie got a chocolate muffin. Everybody else got cinnamon rolls. They're really big ones. This is why Katie wanted to come here, was for the cinnamon roll, right? And the coffee. She got an iced caramel latte. I got a vanilla latte, and Gary also got the caramel. After we got back from breakfast, Sophie and I worked on some school. Katie's been studying for finals. Gary's been upstairs working. But now it is about 12:15. Sophie also had speech therapy. Now it's about 12:15 and we're getting ready to go outside to the pool because Katie wanted to do that on her birthday, and it was kind of whether or not she would have time with studying because she has finals tomorrow. And so some of the things we're doing for her birthday we're doing like this weekend instead because she needed time to study. So it was kind of awkward placement of the finals. Actually, her math final is on the very last day that they have finals, but it is what it is and we're working around it. So we're gonna spend a little bit of time outside, and we do have dinner reservations for tonight as well. The weather turned out to be really good today. It was supposed to be like mostly cloudy or something, but it turned out nice. You enjoying your birthday, not having to work on school?
Well, I have had to do some, but I've had to do a lot less than what.
Yeah, you planned all weekend though, to have
Yeah.
some time off, so it's nice. What you looking for, Sophie?
Yeah, I'm looking for my toys.
What kind of toys?
Yeah, I'm back.
Sophie wears a life jacket in the pool. We got that one last year, didn't we?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Ready to swim.
Gary's getting ready to skim the pool off a little bit. We got a little bit of debris on the top of it, but it's not too bad. And since our heater thing is broken, we can't tell the temperature, so we got this little crab thermometer at Walmart for $6 and something, so we can tell the temperature of the water. And Gary and I are splitting fish and steak, so there's Gary's plate.
I got pasta and fries.
Katie has prime rib and some veggies and potatoes. Friends, we'd love to pray for you. If we can pray for you, let us know in the comments below.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Katie. Happy birthday to you. I love you, Katie.
We are loading up and getting ready to go on a boat this morning. This was Katie's birthday gift that she kind of wanted to do something as a family instead of just getting something like getting a gift or whatever, although we did contribute money towards her car. That was kind of like a birthday / graduation gift. So we're getting ready. Got our hats and sunscreen on. Waiting on Gary to come in here. And there's Katie. Takes you off of Hilton Head if you're going to Bluffton. This is what we're getting ready to go under. We're back from the boat. Gary and I are getting ready to go get some stamps and mail some graduation announcements. I don't have any makeup on except for my mascara because I'm like an old lady like that. I won't leave the house without mascara on. Right, Gary?
She's beautiful without it.
Stop. So we're getting ready to go get some stamps so that we can put Katie's graduation announcements in the mail, and then we also have to we need to get some Mother's Day cards, so we're gonna do that too. All right, we picked up our stamps for the graduation announcements. Getting ready to drop these off because it's late in the day. It's like 4:30, so we need to drop them off in a drop box here. And I just can't believe that it is time to do this. Katie and I spent this afternoon putting all these together, and we really wanted to get them mailed out. Thanks for hanging out with us today, friends. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Think about how we met. Yeah, I'm with you now. Oh, one thing that it's plain to see. best thing in this life for free.